The available MyHyundai with Bluelink app gives you the ability to control many aspects and features of your Hyundai. To use it, you must have a vehicle equipped with Bluelink, have an active Hyundai Bluelink account, and have the MyHyundai with Bluelink app installed on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and log into your Bluelink account. You'll then be able to select which vehicle you wish to connect with. For EVs, the home screen will show the charge level and the approximate range. PHEVs will additionally show the fuel level and range. Selecting View Charge Management allows you to adjust settings such as charge schedules. For more information on these settings, see the Bluelink Charge Management video. Select View Vehicle Status and you can check on many vehicle states, such as whether the doors are locked, the trunk is closed, fluid levels, and other items. You can also choose to have the app notify you when you leave your door unlocked or windows open. Swipe right on the screen, then select Utilities. Then My Profile. Then turn on notifications. The home screen offers many different available commands. You can choose to show your vehicle location on a map. You can also select flash, horn, and lights to help you locate it from both here and on the home screen. You can remotely lock or unlock your vehicle. You can start your vehicle and set whether you want the climate control to operate and at which temperature. You can also set how long you wish the vehicle to run. Set the front and rear defrosters to operate, and set the seats to warm or cool if available. If your vehicle has the Valet mode feature, you can access information on it on the app as well. See the Valet mode video for more information on this feature. You can also access vehicle safeguard alerts, turn them on or off, and adjust their settings. These settings include Speed Alert, Valet Alert, Curfew Alert, and Geofence Alert. You should also know, for remote start using Bluelink to work, the vehicle must have been started using the ignition within the last 4 days. It must also have all doors, trunk, and hood closed and locked. And the vehicle must be in park. Also, you should not use remote start if the vehicle is in an enclosed garage or other small enclosed area. Your owner's manual contains more information on the Bluelink system and other features. Please be certain to read it to learn more about them. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.